Alright lads, it's Danny here today, bring you lot a lovely video on how to prove cos of A sine of B. Why is that equal to this, basically? So in this video we're going to prove this trig identity, but before we get into it, I want you lot to drop a like and subscribe, and let's get right into it then. So what you lot are going to need are two tools, two trig identities. The first one being this one, and the other one you're going to need is this one right over here. So these are going to basically be substituted into this equation as you see on your screen. So once we have done our substitution, so this corresponds to this corresponds to this, basically, we can cancel out the terms that are the same, basically. So sine of A, cos of B can cancel out with sine of A, cos of B over here, subtraction. And really we're going to be left with is this, and a negative times a negative will give you a positive. So these terms, these two variables could be combined into two, basically could be combined into one. Basically it's going to be 2 cos of A sine of B, and 2 in the numerator will cancel with 2 in the denominator, ultimately leading to the left hand side being equal to the right hand side. And therefore by that definition we can say that cos of A sine of B is equal to this. So I hope you lot enjoyed this video. If this video has helped you lot, please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you lot later.